Okay, Mr. G Bag, here's part two, start with number 3. It says circle the numbers that round to 400 when rounding to the nearest hundred. So all of these we're looking at the nearest hundred, and we want to circle the ones that round to 400. So we're looking at the hundreds, 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 hundreds. Okay. Now I can draw a number line, vertical number line. 368 is in between 300 and 400. Halfway would be 350. 368 is greater than 350, so it would round to 400, so I will circle it. Next one, 342. 342 would be in between 300 and 400. Halfway would be 350. Okay. Now, 342 is below 350, so we would not round it to 400, so we do not circle that one. 420. Oh, excuse me. 420 is between 400 and 500. Halfway would be, sorry, that's 2 zeros, would be 450. 420 is less than 450, so we don't circle that one either. Next one, 492. Hundreds places to 4 between 400 and 500. Halfway would be 450. 492 is greater than 450, so it would round to 500. And of course, I did that one would be out. This one, sorry, would be actually correct because it's between. Yeah, I messed that one all up. I apologize. So I messed that one up. So this should be 300 and 400, and we would round down to 300. Okay. 420 would be down because 400, 500 closer to 400. 492 is closer to 500, so it would round to 500. 449 would be rounded to 400, so 400 to 500. Halfway is 450. Okay, our number is 449. 449 isn't quite to 450, so it would round down to 400. So those three would be circled. 4. There are 1,525 pages in a book. Julia and Kim round the number of pages to the nearest 100. Julia says it is 1,500. Kim says it is 1,500. Who is correct? Explain your answer. Okay, so we have 1,525 pages in the book. We're rounding to the nearest 100. The 5 is in the hundreds place. Okay. Excuse me again. Sorry, guys, I'm tired. So 1,525. First, I'm going to round that myself so I know what it is. So 1,525 is in between 1,500 and 1,600. Halfway would be 1,550. 1,525 is below 1,550. So it would round down to 1,500. Julia says it's 1,500, so Julia is correct. Kim says it is 1500s. Okay, well, 1500s. Why no 10 makes 100? And we know that she says 1500s. So there's two ways you can do this. 1500s, you can do the tens 15 times, of course. But you have 100 using our place value disk. You would need 15 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 5. Okay. So 5 is going to be 500. I do another 5. That's going to be 500. I do another 5. That's going to be 500. So that's 5, 10, 15. I add them up and I get 1500.